In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix controller drift in Fortnite. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, controller stick drift can be very annoying and it could just be a physical thing on your console. So controller stick drift basically means, let's say you just left your console down, you might be AFK, but then all of a sudden your stick starts moving, or you might just be slowly moving like this, even without you touching your console. Yeah, so that could basically be very annoying. So what you want to go ahead and do is go over to your settings like so, and go to your settings tab. Now from here, you're going to basically see a lot of different things, but what you want to do is go over to controller. And once you're in controller, you're going to see a few different things, but you want to go to controller dead zone like so. And then basically you want to adjust the right and left stick dead zone. And then basically it says increase or decrease the area surrounding the stick that we ignore input from. Setting this value too low may result in the character continuing to move even after removing your finger from the stick. So if you're getting any stick drift, what I would recommend doing is increasing this value. I would literally recommend increasing it by like 2% each time, testing if your character is moving. If they're still moving, increase it by 2 more%. And then if they're still moving after that, just keep increasing it until you're at a point where your character's not moving and there is no stick drift anymore. And it's as simple as that. And yeah, you'll be good to go after that. Just make sure whenever you're using that same controller, because it is a controller issue that you can kind of fix in game, like how I just said, make sure whenever you're playing a different game, you also do that in a different game as well. But yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.